For this experiment, we need corn seeds and bean seeds. Soak the seeds in water overnight. On the next day, prepare your cups and cotton. Plant the seeds. It is recommended to use transparent cups if you want to observe the germination process. Sprinkle some water. Next, place them outside and observe for 5 days. Day 2. Tiny root emerges out of the seed coat. Don't forget to water it 2 to 3 times a day. Day 3. The roots keep growing downward in search of water. For the corn plant, the spike or the coleoptile emerges from the seed kernel. For the bean plant, the hypocotyl emerges and the seed coat breaks completely. Day 4. The cotyledon breaks apart and reveal the first 2 leaves. For the corn seedling, the young shoot grows upward continuously. Day 5. The 2 cotyledons get smaller and the plant stem grows upward continuously. First leaf appears in the corn seedling. What is germination? Germination is the growth of a seed into a young plant. A seed needs water, right temperature, and oxygen in order to germinate.